Okay, students. Now we are discussing some previous year questions, especially from BITSAT and NTA Abhyas questions. Okay, so this question is related to the depression in freezing point. Question is related to depression in freezing point. Okay, so in the cold countries, what happens? Water freezes on the road. So to clear off that what ice, water is freezes and forms as ice in the cold countries. Okay, so to clear that ice, normally we can use NaCl or CaCl2. Okay, which is better and why it is better? Okay, option on question itself it is given CaCl2 is better, but what for it is better? Okay, so first option is NaCl makes road slippery, CaCl2 is hygroscopic. Okay, so what is hygroscopic, you remember or not? Hygroscopic, deliquescent, there are certain two substances, efflorescents. Okay, three words are there related: hygroscopic, efflorescent, deliquescent. Understood? So what is that? That is around 5 to 10 minutes topic. If you don't know the hygroscopic, type hygroscopic Vizchem. What you will type? Type hygroscopic and Vizchem. Then you will get that video concerned to that topic. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes only. Short video. So then CaCl2 less soluble than NaCl. It is not like that. Okay. So this is the correct answer. Actually, why it is depression freezing point? Both CaCl2 and NaCl, both NaCl and CaCl2, both are non-volatile solute. What solute? Non-volatile solute. Okay. So they will show the colligative property of delta TF. What is the colligative property? Delta TF. So delta TF is equal to TF solution will be solution minus TF of solvent. So solution boil freezing point will be reduced. So but that is directly proportional to I. Okay. So if you cross check here, for NaCl I value is how much? 2. For CaCl to I value is how much? 3. So because of the high I value, this depression is very much high. See, quantitatively values are also given. If we dissolve 1 mole of CaCl2, eukaryotic mixture means in 1 mole of the solution, if 1 liter of solution, if you mix CaCl2, that freezing point, normal freezing point of water is how much? 0 degree. But that mixture, if you mix them properly, CaCl2 and H2O, we can reduce the freezing point up to even minus 55. But same quantity of NaCl, if we mix, it is able to reduce only up to minus 18. So the very purpose of adding this mixture to the solution is to reduce the freezing point. So higher the reduction, better will be the output. That's why CaCl2 is mixed. Okay. First question and related to this, is it understood? In cold countries, why salt is sprinkled over the roads to clear them? Due to depression freezing point. Okay. Which is better? The salt which is having higher I will be able to reduce the melting point and freezing point very less. Okay. So that's why CaCl2 is preferred over it. Okay. See, CaCl2 I value is how much? 3. So it reduced the freezing point from 0 to minus 55. Whereas NaCl I value is how much? 2. So it reduced the same water freezing point from 0 to minus 18. Okay. So better efficiently higher reduction is found in the CaCl2. That's why we need to mix, we prefer to mix CaCl2 in water rather than NaCl in water. Is it understood? Okay, here vapor pressure of solvent decreases, very careful, decreases by 10 mm of Hg when a non-volatile solute added to solvent. That time mole fraction of solute in solution is 0.2, but they want 20 mm of Hg decrease. Okay, what would be the mole fraction of solvent for that decrease? Okay, For 10 mm of decrease already given mole fraction, 20 mm of mole decrease, what is the mole fraction of solvent? Is this question understood? See, the options are given as 0.8, 0.6, 0.4 and 0.3. Those who concentrated, those who are able to understand mole fraction of solvent, what they will think? Solute is 0.2, so solvent will be 0.8. So they may give you the wrong answer. Okay. So like that, if they even understood that 0.2 for 10, then 20, how much it will be? 0.4. Like that, they will tick like this. Okay. So these are all called as a traps. They will make the mistake and give you the options. So you have to be very careful with the options. All options appearing to be correct. Okay. Here the question is for 10 mm it is mole fraction is 0.2. So for 20 mm mole fraction will be how much? 0.4. Okay. So but zero point 0.4 is the mole fraction of solute. But here mole fraction of solvent. If 0.4 is the mole fraction of solute, mole fraction of solvent is going to be how much? 0.6. That is B option is correct. Is this understood? Okay. Next question is if elevation in boiling point of solution. When 10 grams of solute with molecular mass 100 dissolved in 100 grams of solvent. That time elevation in boiling point is delta TB. Find ebullioscopic constant. Okay. Okay. See here. Simple options are tricky, but question is very simple. Okay. So delta TB is equal to KB into. Okay. KB into molality. Okay. So Kb into molality. Molality is mass upon molecular mass divided by, it will be in kg. So 0.1 kg. Understood? So if you simplify this, already you will get Kb is equal to delta Tb. If you simplify this, how much you will get? Kb is equal to delta Tb. Mass upon molecular mass upon mass of solvent in kg. Okay. So this 10 into 100 into 0.110, 10 by 10 you will get Kb is equal to delta Tb. So what is the option? B is the option. Okay. Okay, next question is little bit difficult. So 1.2% of NaCl solution. 1.2% of NaCl solution is isotonic. Is isotonic with 7.2% glucose. What is Van 't Hoff factor of NaCl? Okay. Okay, in this question is a word is used 1.2% NaCl is isotonic with 7.2% of glucose. What is Van 't Hoff factor of NaCl? Okay. So for glucose, there is no doubt because I is equal to 1. So pi of NaCl is equal to pi of glucose. Why it is? Because isotonic. Okay. So I into concentration of NaCl is equal to ST will get cancelled. I into glucose. I into what? Glucose concentration. Okay. So here I we don't know. NaCl mass is how much? 1.2 divided by NaCl molecular mass. 23 plus 58.5 divided by 100 ml. Okay. Is equal to I is equal to 1. Glucose mass is 7.2 divided by 180 divided by 100. Okay, this and this will get cancelled. On simplification, I value will be 2. I value will be how much? It is 2. Okay, is it clear? How to simplify? Is it understood now or any doubt in this one? You can ask. Pi of NaCl is equal to pi of glucose. Here mass percentage is given. Concentration you need to take into molarity. So mass upon molecular mass divided by percentage will be 100. So on simplifying, you will get 1.97 something. So approximate answer is I is equal to 2. Okay. Is it clear? Any doubt? If you have, you can ask. Okay. Next question is Kb for water is biblioscopic constant of water is 0.52 Kelvin per molality. If 0.1 molality solution of NaCl will boil approximately at. Okay. Options I am giving you 100.52, option B 100.052, okay, option C 101.04 degrees Celsius, and option D 100.104 degrees Celsius. Do it with carefully. There is some problem with the question. Okay, listen carefully. Here it is 0.1 molality, my dear students. So delta TB is equal to KB, I into KB into molality. Okay, I is equal to for NaCl. I is equal to how much? 2 into KB is how much? 0.52 into molality is how much? 0.1. So on simplifying, this is going to be how much it is? 0.52. So 0.104. Okay. So normal water boiling point is 100 plus 0.104. So you will get 100.104 degrees Celsius. So D option is correct. Why D option is correct? Is it understood? See, normally NaCl you don't take 2, then you will start answering this. If you neglect this point 1, then you will answer this one. Okay. So all options are very confusing. So, but don't get confused with that answers. Okay. Okay. Next question is the molar freezing point of water. Molar freezing point of water is 1.86 degrees Celsius. 1.86 degrees Celsius per mole. Okay. If 342 grams of cane sugar dissolved in 1000 ml of water, then the solution will freeze at. The solution will freeze at. Okay. Options are 1.86 minus 1.86 plus 2.42 minus 2.42. These are also confusing options. See, here question is about, first of all, depression in freezing point. So freezing point you have to minus. You have to, what you have to do? Subtract. Okay. So delta TF is equal to I into KF into molality. Okay. So I is equal to how much? For cane sugar, glucose, the I value is how much? 1. Okay. And KF is already given as 1.86. Okay. 1.86. Then molality is, see here, 342 divided by 342 molecular mass by 1 kg of water. So delta TF is 1.86. That means 1.86 will be reduced from the water. So water freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius minus 1.86. So answer will be minus 1.86 degrees Celsius. So B option is correct. Why B option is correct? Is it understood? Okay, so 100 cc of 1.5% solution. 100 cc of 1.5% solution of urea found to have osmotic pressure of 6 atm and 100 cc of 3.42. 100 cc of 1.5% and 100 cc of 3.42. They have osmotic pressure of 2.4. If both solutions are mixed, then osmotic pressure of resulting solution is. So simple here, 100 cc and 100 cc. Total volume will be what? 200 cc. But solute will be 1.5. gram here and 3.42 grams here. Okay. So if you calculate separately, here the osmotic pressure of the first part, this is going to be how much? 3. Okay. Volume doubled, therefore concentration will what? Decrease. Okay. And here this 2.4. So concentration will decrease. So it will be 1.2. 3 plus 1.2. How much it will be? 4.2. Why it is reduced? Is it understood? Volume is doubled. Suppose here if it is 100, here 200. How to approach? Is it understood? For 100, if it is 6 ATM. For 300, it is going to be 2 ATM. Likewise, you have to calculate. Okay. Here simple calculation is done. Why? Because both are 100 and 100. Okay. So answer will be 4.2. That is B option is correct. Is that understood?